How's it going, everyone? In today's video I'll show you on how you can bind the commands in FiveM. So I'm using the normal version of GTA right here, but it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to a FiveM server, and then you want to browse your console by pressing F8 on your keyboard. So in my case, I'm going to use my cheat code as an example once again, and then you just want to type the following: bind keyboard, and let's say I want to bind my H key to my E right here, which is going to be for dancing. Now you just want to make sure that you use the symbols accordingly, press on enter, and basically from there you are good to go. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.